All right, ladies and gents, so we're heading to the shop in town because my shop's not done being built yet. We're gonna clean out the Chevy project truck, the K2500. We're gonna make this bad boy, make him look good again, or at least we're gonna try. I don't know. We ain't the bet. Hopefully this thing fits. Looks like it's gonna be a tight fit, but yeah, the carpets are pretty bad. Although we're not gonna extract the carpets or anything like that. See, it's pretty bad. All right, here she is, guys, in the shop. The Chevy K2500 5.7 Vortec. First time on the channel. Well, not the first time on the channel. You guys have seen glimpses and pieces. Sorry, that thing's really loud, but yeah, this is our project truck. We're gonna clean it up today. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. We got the goods over here. This thing sucks, literally. A little bit of a tight fit, but it's all good. There she is. That's the 5.7 Vortec right there. Pulling off the negative just so we don't kill it when we got the doors open and stuff. Not too terribly rusty considering it's a Midwest truck, but it's got some, yeah. I mean, it's a 20-year-old truck from the Midwest, so it is what it is. All right, so Ian's gonna start the vacuuming, and I got super clean, just an all-purpose cleaner, and we're gonna start getting all the grime and crap off this thing, make her look good, and probably gonna have to declutter it. There's probably not that much clutter. There's some stuff in the back. My old intake from my Jetta. All right, let's get to work. All right, boys, she's all done. Cleaned out the inside. Obviously, it's not like we didn't take that much time on it, but it's looking significantly better than what it was. You guys can see that. It's just so much better than what it was. But the carpets still need extracted. They're pretty bad. Door panels are all right. Glass is okay. Probably needs clayboard, but it's fine. Still got to clean the inside of that one. That one's pretty bad. Yeah, but she's looking so much better, guys. Now all I gotta do is fix up the outside and the engine bay, and she's gonna be mint. There, boy. Oh my God. I have too big of fingers for this. Why did I put it in the small coin pocket? It got lodged sideways in there. That's what she said. Okay. Got it. All right. Oh yeah. Okay, let's back it out without hitting anything. I do not I don't have the best backing out skills. Close. My mirror was like inches. Hell yeah, brother. Oh yeah, you close that door. Why aren't you? Shitbox things be like, oh, it actually worked. She's honestly looking pretty good for a 20-year-old truck, considering we didn't really do a full detail. Although that turtle wax shit that we used, holy crap, does that crap smell? It smells weird. It smells funky. It's like, I don't even know, like my grandma's basement. Like if my grandma had a bunch of shoes in her basement, that's what it smelled like. Musty and sweaty. All right, we stopped by Ian's house. Gonna get a mask in, you know, because of stupid COVID, and then we're gonna go head over to the Wings Etc. to celebrate. Not really to celebrate, but just because we're fat and hungry, so it's our excuse for celebration. We celebrate when we clean our trucks. That's what we do around here. That's what we do around here. I know I haven't really talked about the project truck that much. I still don't know exactly what we're doing with it. There's a small chance that I'll sell my Jetta and actually buy this from my dad. It is my dad's truck. It's in his name. But he's basically letting us use it like it's ours, but it's in his name. So either I'm gonna have to sell the car and officially buy it from him, or I'm going to have to sell, or he's gonna end up selling this to someone else. And this is a really minty truck, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes.